Hi, it's English time. In this video, I will discuss subject-verb agreement. To avoid conflict in sentences, the subject and the verb must always agree. Take time to learn. The verb must always agree with its subject and number. A singular subject requires a singular verb, S form. For example, it grows. A plural subject requires a plural verb. Example, they go. Nouns that are plural in form but singular in meaning require singular verbs. Examples of this are nouns like mumps, measles, news, molasses, physics, mathematics, statistics, economics, and others. For example, news spreads rapidly. A collective noun taken as a unit requires a singular verb. If taken individually, it requires a plural verb. Examples are jury, orchestra, band, audience, faculty, flock, school, committee, etc. For example, the orchestra plays magnificently. The subject orchestra is taken as a unit. Members of the orchestra are tuning their instruments. The subject orchestra is taken individually. Two or more singular subjects joined by or, nor, either or, and neither nor require singular verbs. A plural verb is required if the subjects joined are plural. For example, either stalactites or stalagmites form inside limestone caves. If singular and plural subjects are joined by or, either or, and neither nor, the verb agrees with the subject nearest it. For example, uranium or other chemical elements contain atoms. Parenthetical expressions or intervening words do not affect the verb. If the subject is singular, the verb must be singular. If the subject is plural, the verb must be plural. These expressions include with, along with, together with, as well as, in addition to, including, and accompanied by. For example, the delightful climate as well as the exotic places and wildlife in Palawan accounts for its extensive tourist industry. Subjects referring to measurement, amount of money, or distance are considered singular and therefore require singular verbs. For example, 100,000 pesos is needed for his operation. The phrase a number requires a plural verb unless it pertains to an arithmetical number, while the number means singular and requires a singular verb. Examples: the number of enrollees is increasing every year. A number of suggestions were taken by the speaker wholeheartedly. A noun introduced by a fraction or person may take either a singular or plural verb depending on the phrase. For example, 1/2 of the liquid has been spilt. 1/2 of the attendees have gone home. A title of a book, song, and poem takes a singular verb. For example, The Adventures of Tom Sawyer provides many lessons about determination, patience, and courage. When positive and negative subjects are used, the verb agrees with the affirmative subject. For example, diamonds, not gold, are mostly mined in Africa. One philosopher said that The agreement or disagreement, or its sense with reality, constitutes its truth or falsity.